Hi all, I'm putting a new battery in my guitar. Something that's good to do is put a date on it. See, I marked that one 10/2018, and every guitar is a little different, but they're all kind of the same. So that one just snaps in there. There's a small little clip there, that little clip. That's for active electronics. It just gives it a little bit more power. And then it's got these real small screws go on the back plate. This one's kind of a pain to put a new battery in. Got to take the whole back plate off. Be careful you don't strip the screws. It's just going into the wood. And then something I'm going to do this time, I'm going to mark it. Because I can never remember when I replaced it. So this way I don't have to take it apart just to look at the battery, see if it's leaking. Okay, good idea. It might rub off on my clothes. I might have to move that up here or something. We'll see how it goes. And then my bass has active electronics in it too, and you can tell by this little guy here. That just gives it more power. And I just put a new battery in this one too. This one's a little easier. It's got this little plate here. You can see here's the main back plate. Well, I suppose that's what they call it. Back plate, and then this is just where your knobs are. But this one's got a separate battery compartment. It's the same as the other one, but you only have to take one screw off, so it's a lot easier to change. See? It's the same type of deal. Just plugs the battery in and slide it in the slot. Okay. And I think I'm going to mark this one too. I just thought of that. I've marked my smoke detectors like this. That's where I got the idea. So 10/2018. Okay, cool. See ya. Bye.